Shame that tune!
And here's her story of wine-soaked shame in the style of It Was a Good, Very Good Year by Frank Sinatra. When I was 23, it was a very good year. It was a very good year for bottles of wine that went on without end. We sang to a strange friend. He sat next to me when I was 23. Since I felt close to him, I asked if we should get beers. I asked if we should get beers, but he said get wine and go back to my place. No light on his face, everything was dim, but I felt closer to him. When I laid down on his bed, I vomited in my hands. I vomited in my hands, and it poured right down, and he slipped and he slid from all the vom that I did, and from the hall it led.